Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart an Audi Q5. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both your Audi Q5 and the donor vehicle are completely turned off. Carefully position the donor vehicle so it is close enough for the jumper cables to reach both batteries comfortably and safely. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red positive clamp and attach it securely to the positive terminal of your Audi Q5's dead battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal part of your Audi Q5's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. Now, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Audi's battery. After this brief charging period, try starting your Audi Q5. Once your Audi Q5 starts, it's time to disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from your Audi's metal surface. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the donor vehicle. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the donor battery, followed by the red positive clamp from your Audi Q5. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.